Each mentor session was brought in a specific, that particular topic, like can be deep learning or it can be neural networks and assemble and, supervised, unsupervised learning. So those research, specialists and PhDs in that particular topic have been very amazing. My name is Usha Boddapu. I'm the CEO and founder of Esolvit Inc. I read about this course and I felt like the instructors are extremely talented. Even I like the course title, like AI for Leaders, especially designed for leaders. I did work with UT Austin Macon students. They explained me about this program. And then that's how I've started. The last couple of years, the most difficult part of any product is doing the commercialization part of it and taking to go to market. Having that intense experience going through that most difficult phase of any product, and I felt like my knowledge needs to be useful for other startups. Each mentor session was brought in a specialist and PhDs in that particular topic. Have been very amazing. The capstone project was amazing. I was so impressed to see how well every team did it and so many different use cases of AI. Leaders that they are planning to have any kind of a product in AI, or if you're current being a data scientist, you wanted to enhance yourself into the AI data scientist. Great learning is I felt like they're already in AI and ML, so they have mastered it. So every course I've seen, even in other courses and other than AI and ML, and there are other courses in cybersecurity. So they're trying to find the niche to have an affiliation with a department or with a university that is kind of very niche in that particular technology.